How to create a website on Webador in 2021. Webador will help you create a professional and easy website. Why to choose Webador? Webador is very easy. You can create a business email, responsive design, start a web shop, optimized for Google, and has a free support. So let's start. So now they're asking the step one is what kind of website do you want to build? I want to build a website. If you want to create a web shop or a blog, then you can go ahead and choose that. I'm going with website. After that, step two is what do you want to call your website? Then I will give my website just how to digital for now, or I can go ahead and name it. This will be the name of my website. Continue. Email address and password, all you have to do is add your email right here and set up a password. Get started. So once you set up for your Webador, you can see that all the templates are given here for different websites. So I'm gonna go ahead and find something. There are literally lots of options for you to choose from. So right now I will go with professional. Yeah, let's go with this template. You can go ahead and choose any of the templates that you want to. I am going with professional. So once you choose your template, they're asking you to choose a plan. For now, I'm going with free plan. You can go ahead with your business plan or the pro plan because they will offer you customized domains and you can even create more than one domain. But for now, I'm going with free one. So guys, as you can see that the signing up process was very easy and free. So now you can see that this is my editing option where I will be creating a website and it's super easy to use. Let me give you a tour. What we're doing right here is that this is the editor option where you edit your website. Then there is a pages option where you go and you can go ahead and create different pages of your website. For example, one page could be about you and one page could be different if you want to create like more than one pages. And then there is a design option which allows you to customize different colors and customize the design of your website. After that, you can go ahead and add a web shop, which is very cool. Most of the website creators do not offer this, but you can go ahead and create a web shop. And then there is settings and help. Let's go to the editor. Here you will customize your website. Now you can see right here that different elements are given: basic, title, text, image, form, button, product, and product gallery. How these work is, and there are actually more, there are structures, media where you add videos, audio files, and then there is interactive where you add map, comments, social icons, and everything. So how these work is you just grab them and put them wherever you want to. So I'm just gonna leave it for a second. First, you can see that this is the name of the website, explain the socials. Okay. After that, this is the cover page. Now what I want to do is I want to edit this one, and you can add any image here and you can edit this out. I'm gonna go ahead and add new image in the background. So there are different stock images that are also available, or if you want to upload your image from your device, you can go ahead and do that. So for now, I am going to select an image from the stock and I am going with this one. Save. Once I do that, you can see that now I have chosen my cover picture of the website to be this. Okay, I think this looks cool. So this is how you can actually adjust your cover picture right here, and then I can also add a title, a subheading. You can go ahead and add any of the catchphrases that you use. I have just created this and it will look like this. If I click right here, I can go ahead and change the color of the text. Let's see how it looks with black. So yeah, after you type your text and subtext, you can go ahead and save these changes. If you do not want to add any title and just want the cover picture, you can go ahead and do that. After that, you can see that we can drag different things right here. So I want to add an image right here. So I'm going to drag it and place it right here. Simply now I can go ahead and upload, select image from here, and I can go again to the stock images and select any of the image that I want to embed in my website, or I can just simply go to the upload image option and upload it. So here I'm gonna just add which image. Let's go with this one because it's like someone working on the laptop. That's what we do. So I think this will represent our website. Once I do that, you will be able to see the image right here. Okay, once you upload your picture or you have selected an image, you can then simply go ahead and align it left or right or in the center. So I'm aligning it on the right. After that, I'm just gonna leave it so it will look like this. Now right here, I want to add text. So you can add the text right here. You can add, for example, I want to add a text about me, so you can write about or about the page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly write some of the text. So right here I added the text. So after you have added the text, I'm gonna go ahead and add a title. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the title above the text. Once I do that, I will be able to add a text right here. So I'm just gonna add text. So I'm gonna write about us. Okay, I think this looks good. So after you have added the title right here, you can see that it looks, our website is like coming together, I must say. So you can add any title right here and text. Then I showed you how you can add image. Then you can go ahead and add any button if you want to, or any product right here. All you have to do is just drag these things and drop them. Then we have structure, which is if you want to make columns, if you want to add any white space, if you want to add dividers. Then there is a table option. If we go to media, you can see that we can actually import and add videos, audios, and different files, documents, and photo album. Okay, let's add a photo album. If we just go ahead and add a photo album right here. So you can see that I can actually add a bunch of images right here, and I can manage these images. So what's going to happen now is that it will actually give our viewers a way of, for example, if you are a photography company or anything else, if you want to add your company images, or if you are an education sector, you want to add the images of your university or school, so you can add them right here. So they require like a lot of pictures, so for now I'm just gonna not add it. Then you can actually add slideshows. You see most of the time on the websites, slideshows actually look very cool. You can go ahead and add that right here. If I just want to add, I will simply drag it and place it where I want it to be. And here you can just go ahead and upload any of these slideshows that you have made. Right here you will add multiple of images and they will be slideshown. Okay, after that, and then we have a map option. So you can add any map of your website, or if you are a company, you can simply go ahead and add the location. Then there is a comments option which you can add, social icons, and social share. Let's go with social icons. I want to add these right here. Once I do that, you will see that I can add different social icons. Okay, they're saying don't forget to add your profile. So what will happen is simply you can go ahead and add your different profiles, your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. And it will be added here. Whenever someone will visit your website, they will be able to go to your social media as well. So yeah, this is what the first page of the website looks. I think it looks good. Then you can actually go ahead and add any polls if you want to. There are literally many options for you. Now, when you are creating a website, don't forget to take a look of mobile view. What Webador does is it also gives you a view of mobile. This is what your website will look like on a mobile phone. It actually looks like a legit website that I'm just creating, which is very cool. After that, I want to show you the pages. Let's go to pages and add another page to our website. Now, this was the home page that we just customized. I want to, for example, add a new page to my website. So I will just simply go ahead to new page. And this page will be let's name this YouTube content. Actually, that's a pretty good name that just came up. Yep. Let's name it YouTube content. And what do we want? No sidebars. Sidebars with banner. No, we do not want this to be with banners, and we want it to be with sidebars. So you can go ahead and select these things, like if you want the banner on the second page or not. I am going with these settings and save. Once you do that, now we have created another page of our website, and let's edit this one. Just go to edit. Okay, so this is our second page and it looks like this. The name is YouTube content. Now I want to add some of the videos here if I want to add. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to video and add a video of our channel right here. So what will happen is that I can simply go ahead and select the video. This is the customized video that they have given, so like we get an idea how the videos look here. But I'm just gonna select a video. Okay, yeah, so I added the URL of my video and you can see they found the video, and I'm gonna select this video right here. Now you can see that this video will be added to my second page. For example, you wanted your second page to be your about contact us page. So what you had to do was just simply add details of your contacts. If you want your second page to be a article, you can add your articles. I wanted my second page to be a video page where I wanted to add some of the YouTube content that we have created. So I added this video of me, which is about the HubSpot email marketing. So after that, you can see this video is added right here. This is my second page. I can go ahead and add different things if I want to right here. Let's go ahead and add a just very randomly, I'm just showing you. You can add a button right here and you can type what your button will say, simply like this. And then you can go ahead and add the link to your YouTube channel or your website or anything, your store or your education sector. You can go ahead and add the link right here. So for now, I think my second page also looks good. So similarly, if I want to add any other page, I will go to pages and add another page. After that, there is design. Now this is also an important thing, because what happens in design is you can actually customize the color of your website. So first of all, let's go to the first page because I want to change the design of the first page as well. So what's gonna happen now is, so now I am back to my first page. Now you can see right here, it's actually red. What's happening here, the text is red and I do not want it to be red, although red is my favorite. But for now, you can see that this is a little brownish and blue look that we go with explain the socials. So I'm going to designs, and then in the designs I will change the color. Now you can see that the color is red right now, so I'm gonna go with and change it to maybe brown or blue. Okay, this looks good. And then background could also be light, if I say not white. Okay, this now the website also looks good. And the footer will be, you can see that the footer can also be a little dark, not that much. This looks good. Okay, the footer should be, I think, of this color. So you can just go ahead and simply change the color of your text and outlook of your website. Now you can see this is what our first page looks like, and it's actually looking pretty good. After that, I am going to my second page. Sorry, I forgot to save. Just hit save after everything so your changes are saved. Once you do that, so you can see that this is what my website now looks like. So I can go ahead to my second page and change the colors as well, but it will like take a little long. I will do that later. So now I'm going to web shop to just show you around real quick. Now you can go ahead and you can add any of the web shop you want to. You will see your customers right here, your products and settings. You can do that actually if you upgrade, and once you upgrade you can actually add any of your web shop. You can add different products, you can add sub products, and then you can go ahead and add these products or links of these products to your first pages of the website. And then there is a settings option where you get the general settings of your website and your personal account. Okay, in the settings you can see that the website name, if you want to change it, then the website address is not published yet, and then there is different options, for example search bar, cookie notice, offline mode, and toolbar. You can go ahead and save these changes as well. If we go to editor back, then here is our website that you just created. So yeah, Webador is so easy to create your own cool website, and you can just create your website within minutes, and you can add many cool features on your website. So yeah guys, this was a beginner's tutorial for Webador. To go ahead and try Webador and create your awesome website. I will see you in the next video. Until then, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.